Hello everybody, welcome to Monday. Really good day today. The S&P 500 was up 1.8% and there was lots of green on the charts. This weekend I did some research and I want to pass along some of the things that I found. I find what's happening right now quite interesting. One of the key things I'm focusing on is the downturn in September that just happened. A lot of times downturns can tell you a lot about what you should be owning. The things that don't fall as much or even go up are often things that continue to do quite well. A great example is clean energy, which actually went up during the downturn and is now going wild. Over 4% today for our two clean energy indexes, which is incredible. So if you look at what's happening right now, there is some shift from the big technology. The innovative technology is still going well, online retail is still going well, those types of things. But right now, the top categories with a more than 30% return in the last 9 months and have lost less than the market in September. Clean energy again, house construction, online retail, lithium batteries, pet care, video gaming, and advanced healthcare. So those are all the ones that are moving. The wave is happening. I also like to find the theme. Will it continue? Okay, so airlines go up a lot. What's the theme? Why would it continue? Well, that would take a vaccine or a cure, which we don't have yet, so those keep failing. Pet care is kind of fascinating. The theme is people are adopting a lot more pets because they're home, or maybe their kids are home, what have you. And so this is one of the top performing indexes right now, is this area of pet care, which is food and pharmaceuticals and veterinary services and toys and those types of things. It fell less than the market in the downturn in February and March, and it fell less than the downturn in September. So really good area. So we made a bunch of changes to the IRA portfolios. And so we're kind of lightening up some of the technology pieces and starting to broaden up the portfolios, which we're seeing some of this broadening happening in the overall market. Very excited about that. I think that's very healthy. Yet all of these new categories are still sustainable without a vaccine or a cure, which is great because a lot of the times we've seen these things run and there's things that don't make any sense and they keep failing. So the non-IRA accounts, we have short-term capital gains. A lot of these things that we bought, and we have big gains in almost every single position that we have. So we need to wait and be more patient with those just to make sure we don't have to pay 30–40% of our gains out as taxes. So we'll wait and see what happens there. But really good day. It's going to be fascinating to see how this follows through and see how our new portfolios, our new IRA portfolios do. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.